welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Today I have with me a cute little oil. This is also an Ayurvedic oil. If you have not watched my previous video where I did a complete product review on Marks and Pose oil, then go do check that out because this oil is from the same brand. Again, I'm talking about this only because one, it's Ayurvedic, and two, I have tried it, so you can trust me. Now coming to the main point, what is there in this oil and what are its promises? So this is called Thumba Wonder Hair Oil. Ingredients used in this oil are: number 1, Thumba, a desert fruit, which is the main component of this oil. It is also known as bitter apple. So this oil is extracted from the seeds of bitter apple. Benefits of Thumba fruit is prevents premature graying, promotes hair growth. Number 2, bhringaraj. Also, you might have already heard this name bhringaraj, which is very famous in most of the Ayurvedic products. Benefits of using bhringaraj oil is treats dandruff, promotes hair growth, increases your volume of your hair and repairs damaged hair. Third one, karanj. I would have attached a photo somewhere over here to get an idea of what it looks like. Benefits of using karanj is it reduces excessive dryness, prevents dandruff and promotes hair growth. Number 4, kapoor kachri. Benefits of using this is promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff and solves other scalp related infections or problems. Number 5, till oil or sesame oil. Benefits of using sesame oil are prevents hair graying, promotes hair growth, protects your hair from sun, heat or pollution, prevents hair fall and also prevents from dandruff. Sixth one, which is the last ingredient, mustard oil. Benefits of using mustard oil are naturally conditions and nourishes your hair, boosts blood circulation, it also promotes hair growth. As you can see, all the ingredients used in this oil promotes hair growth, and which is also the main promise that the product does. Now let's see what the product promises you. Thumba, the desert fruit, rejuvenates your follicles and promises to bring back almost 70% to regain natural hair growth. Next, helps in increasing your strand growth, like I don't even know if you can see it, like this, it increases that. And also there are many more, but I just want to tell which actually is the main point. Also, it's an excellent source for hair nourishment. So how should you use this? So they have actually mentioned that you're supposed to take, a very coin-sized drop. You're supposed to apply it only to your scalp and massage it for 15 minutes every day. Now, how I used it. So I apply only to the scalp and I bring the leftover down and I just, kind of twist it and leave it overnight. So I apply the oil, give it a very good massage and I leave it overnight. Next day morning, then I take a shower. Also, they have clearly mentioned that you're supposed to use mild shampoo. So please use mild shampoo because the more stronger shampoo or stronger the essence or the stronger the shampoo is, it will actually break your follicles and it's like hurting your scalp. So you can never expect good hair growth. So try otherwise also using very mild shampoo. Talking about the smell, as it's an Ayurvedic product, but it doesn't have very strong fragrance. Like, I'm very allergic to very strong fragrance, even if it is just a dhupa which they light for God or anything, very minute things also. If it has strong fragrance, I cannot. Even flower smell, I cannot. So I'm a little allergic to fragrance. So I was a little scared on using this, but once I use this, it's not that very strong fragrance, so it's fine. And also, once you wash your hair, this fragrance is completely gone. There is no sign of oil after you wash your hair, so you don't have to be worried about that because generally any oil, when you apply to your scalp and even though you wash it, sometimes the smell still remains. But this product, when I use it, there was no fragrance left after I washed my hair, so you don't have to worry about that. At whole, I am a person who, applies oil just once a week and not every day. So even if you're a person like this, then I think you can go for it and give it a try because it has a lot of things to promise. And yes, I did observe one thing, that it increased my hair volume because in general I have very straight hair and Because of this, you feel your hair is very flat. Also, my hair is very oily, it gets very greasy after 2 to 3 days after the shower. And I can't take shower very often, and I take once in a week, otherwise I get very bad headache. And also, one thing I observed is it reduces hair knots. And also, this oil is not very greasy as I expected. I thought it's going to be very greasy, but see, it's very thin, so it's not very greasy. So it goes off very quickly when you are trying to remove it. If you like this product, then I would have put the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So go shop this oil and have happy hair days. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me, and also you can get notified each time I upload a new video. I will meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye.